This is why I've been happy to walk on tarmac.
You and me, we meant to be in the great outdoors.
Morning, day 6. That's where I was last night. No traces, obviously. The trail's just up here. And that's the way we're going. See you in a mo. We're on the move. I've had to batten down the hatches again. It ain't chucking it down like it was yesterday, but it's quite windy. Anyway, get my head sorted so I can see you. We're on our way to Bourton on the Hill first. I've got to do a job in Bourton on the Hill soon. It's a garage remake. So looks like a nice area. Let's hope we get some better weather than this. Ooh, bloody coats. There's a calf up there. Obviously it weren't open. But I need to trudge on. I've got 8 miles to go, maybe 7 now. And Holly's picking me up at 12. So I've got to get my foot down. See you a bit. Now I know why they call it Bourton on the Hill. Ooh. Some nice cottages though. The retreat for the aged, erected 1831. Oh look, another hill. Don't know if you can see that, that's a beautiful church. We're going that way. You can see the church there before we go. Not really. Trust me, it's nice. As churches go, that is. Oh, feel the heat. Warm myself up. We ain't got time for that. Let's move it, Daz. Move it. It's nice at the bottom of your garden, isn't it? Impressive. I don't know if you can see that. Looks like there's an old Morris Minor pot there. Can't really tell. It's an old thing anyway. There's a nice lake over there. One is not going to visit that though. There's one is going this way. Come and say hello then. It's alright.
Come here, look, look. It's a really friendly person who wants to say hello to a barking dog. Look, look. It's a poor person Out in the rain and the wind, and it's horrible, isn't it?
Oh, it's horrible. I've had it all week. Ooh! I'm just in these rubber trees, so put my hood down for a minute. It's got a little reprieve from the rain. It's been pretty much non-stop since I left. I've done about 5 miles and I've got a little 5k left and it's done. So I don't think I'm going to be doing much more filming now. If I do, I will, but at the minute the weather's just too cack. Just going to get my head down, I think, and get it finished. See if we can find a nice cafe and have a nice full English. See you a bit. Stone the wall, let's go. I've just been on a bit of a road section. I've never been so glad to walk on tarmac. Some of these paths have been slipping and sliding everywhere. Some ain't really broke anything. I've done one not to go on my arse. But anyway, 2 miles to go. As you can probably tell, weather ain't changed. Look at this thing. (1917), it's newer than you think, isn't it? I thought that had been there for years. What the? I think I'm in the lower swell. I just ain't looked at my phone to see where exactly I am, but I'm moving ever closer to the finish. You ain't missed a lot really. More sheep, fields, mud, rain. Apart from that, it's nice to be on tarmac again. I never thought I'd hear myself say that. You can't get rid of me that easy. I'm just wandering through lower swell, but I then hike to lower slaughter, and then finally Bourton. It says on my app 1 mile, but we'll see. Weather still pants. There's a bus shelter here. Bus shelter here might go and have 5.
Hello, I'm looking for.
I ain't from around here, mate.
Grammar footage.
I'm not from around here, sorry boss. Oh, what a morning again. There's a car behind trying to get through. Sorry dear. I'll be like that one day. I don't think I'm far off now. Hey guys. This is why I've been happy to walk on tarmac. I've crossed so many fields like this. It's ridiculous. I'm just in Lower Slaughter now. This is the last village I pass before I hit the finish. See you at the end. I'm on the final furlong, guys. The final furlong, nearly there. The wind and the rain has given me its final hooray. Just back there, it's just eased off again. So I thanked it again for joining me on this trip. And I'll probably see it again next year. I think it likes walking with me. Do you? One thing this walk's got, some beautiful properties, some beautiful churches, and hopefully it's got a beautiful breakfast here. This is St. Lawrence's Church. Beautiful, isn't it? Absolute beautiful church. And you know what's even more beautiful about it? It's the end of the Heart of the England Way. Let's go and get some food. I'm just here now at the Riverside Cafe in Bourton On The Water. Completed the walk now, so thanks for all of you who've watched all the series. And if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. Maybe consider subscribing. Hit the little notification bell, and then you can join me on my next adventure. See you on the trail. It's Billabong time. They're lovely. Just chilling out for 5. I've just walked through Kingsby. I'm now by the firing range. Luckily no one's shooting at me, so see you later. Well, that was home for the night. I had to hang on till about 8:30 for all the fishermen to clear off before I got bedded down along with my feet. What a beautiful view. You don't realise what beauty you've got on your own doorstep. Travel all around the country doing these. I'm walking through these beautiful buttercup fields. They're lovely. Weather's been pretty good today. It's really sunny this morning. It was supposed to be sunny all day, but I think it's changed a bit, so there's a bit of a black cloud there, look. That can do one, can't it? See a bit? If I said the weather was shit today, it'd be a major understatement. If double shit's a word, then it's double shit weather. But I've only got 12 miles to go. We're here. And a big thumbs up to anybody else hiking today, the joggers, and anybody else out on a mammoth trek. Let's hope the weather's a bit kinder for you guys.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors.